Stacy Screen, post-test voice interpreting. Excuse me. So when we look at the Earth, there's a layer around it called the atmosphere. And that's the air, the layer of air that we breathe, you know? And we don't think about that, but it's there. And it's not only oxygen that it's composed of, it has other chemicals as well. So we have the atmosphere. The sun shines down into the atmosphere, but then it reflects. If we didn't have the atmosphere, we would burn up, we'd cook just like as if we were in a microwave. So the atmosphere protects us from the sun that's dangerous, it can burn us. So the air that we breathe, the air in the atmosphere is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, CO2, and a list of other ingredients that all come together. It's 75% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, and it's all mixed together. So you know, you've seen a rocket launch, that's 100% oxygen. You know, but dangerous, that's very dangerous to have 100% oxygen because it's highly flammable. And the atmosphere being nitrogen and oxygen mixed, it's less flammable. So as you increase the oxygen level, the flammability also increases. It becomes highly flammable. The less oxygen you have, the less flammable it is. If it's 100% oxygen, then it would just burn completely up. So it's a very delicate balance. You know, the Earth manages that. So when you look at the Earth, if you were to slice it in half and look at all the different layers it's composed of, we'd see that the very top layer, like it's 4 to 40 miles thick, this soft layer that has dirt in it that we can dig, that's the first layer. The second layer below that is called the mantle, and it's 1,800 miles thick. The layer below that is called the outer core, and it's 1,240 miles thick. And in the very middle, the hottest part is the inner core, and it measures 1,700 miles thick. And the reason why it's so hot is when we look at magnets, it has those magnets, and so that it uses it like the North and South Pole.